The markets are way worse off than you could possibly imagine, and I'm going to explain to you in the next 3 minutes. So hold your swipe why the crypto market is way more bearish than we think. The stock market is not in a full-blown bear market yet. And it's something we've talked about on our live streams and a little bit here as well. But I want to reiterate how absolutely fucked the markets are, how absolutely fucked Bitcoin is, and why I believe that the crypto market is actually being a little bit front running in advance the real stock market crash. Because, you know, what do you leave first? Speculative assets. And I don't care what the fuck you say. I don't care what kind of fucking max you are. This is fucking speculative as fucking investing crypto. It is a fucking casino if you haven't figured it out. But it comes down to something very simple, a very simple price analysis overview. Okay. When I was telling you guys last year that it would become a bear market if Bitcoin fell below 37K, I was right. The moment we fell below 37K a couple of weeks ago, months ago, bye-bye market. And then over the past 3 months, I've done little surveys on you guys to see if you're optimistic or not optimistic about the market. And boy, 70% of you guys are still optimistic on this market. Let me show you something, okay? So on the left-hand side here, we have NASDAQ. And on the right side here, we have Bitcoin. NASDAQ hit 13K for the first time in February. Bitcoin was hitting about 50, 60K plus or minus. Now, the next time the NASDAQ hit 13K, which was a few weeks ago on its dead cat bounce, Bitcoin hit fucking 24K. Do you see the little analysis there? Theoretically, Bitcoin should have at least gone to 40, 50K, you know, like the melt up told you guys it would happen. And then I want you to show something here. This is the 200 EMA. Things aren't really ever in a true bear market yet until they're underneath the 200 EMA. You can see over here on the crypto market, which was at about 28,900. Ha! It sucks to have a long there. I don't know who did that. You can kind of see that we've been below it, which is hella fucking bearish. Let me show you. You see this little movement here? We hit it once, twice, this 200 EMA. Let me show you something. Here's the dot-com crash of 2008, where you hit it once, twice. Maybe we'll get one more little bounce before absolute fucking catastrophe happens. What the fuck do you think will happen to Bitcoin? That 200 EMA on the weekly breaks for the NASDAQ, which is looking like this right now. Sure, maybe we have that one little bounce like we did in 2008. We go to 12.5K NASDAQ and then we get fucking smoked. So remember who's pushing you the bullish narrative. Remember them very well in a few months. Because you know what? I bet you they won't even be making content.